All right, legendary marketer, you guys, is it a scam? Are you going to make money in it? Is there any ROI in it? Are you going to be taken advantage of? All these questions going through your head, I am going to be answering in this video, so definitely stick around for that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Personal Legends. My name is Kel Preston, where I help you with business plus mindset tips with a little slice of spirituality up in there. Super excited for today. We're just gonna hop right in with, is legendary marketer a scam or not? If you're new to my channel, definitely consider clicking that subscribe button. I would love to have you on here and join the family. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel in getting it out there. And super excited, let's hop into this. I am not here to give you that review video where it's just like wasting your time or to sit here and BS with you. Is legendary marketer a scam? No. Much like other affiliate marketing programs, they're not a scam. Now, I will say there are some out there that are scams, but when it comes to a typical affiliate marketing program, a lot of people, the issue is that the investment, the initial investment that you have to invest in the program is just so much money. It's usually around like $297, and then you have different ones that you can invest in that are larger and larger and larger. But it's that way, first off, because it's a business. Did you think Disney, whenever he started, that he had a shit ton of money in his business? No, he had to start by selling something, and no, he started off by drawing Mickey on the streets without any money. Any business out there that you have to give money towards, it's because you're receiving a product or something of value. So that's essentially what an affiliate marketing program is, but that's not what this video is essentially about. But that's what a legendary marketer is it's a platform that is selling you business tips. It's selling you how to upscale your business. It's selling you how to do social media. It's selling you how to do ads. And there's so much invaluable information in it. But on top of that, you get to make money by it being an affiliate marketing program. Here's what I'm getting at. Let's give an analogy of legendary marketer. I am a part of 2 other affiliate programs, but legendary marketer is so awesome because we're like one big happy family. We're here to help each other. There's like multiple different Facebook groups for the levels that you join or go into, and it's just awesome because it's not invest in the program and then you're out on your own. It's nothing like that at all. And the amazing thing is I'm gonna also show you guys proof of the money that I have earned in it. And also I made a video about legendary marketer and a review of it, but that was back in 2018. And you might ask me, why did I end up quitting? It had nothing to do with the program. It had everything to do with I was living in Tokyo, Japan, and I was going through a really rough time in my life with something, and I just couldn't do it anymore. But I'm back. I'm ready to fucking rock it and get out there and like be the boss I know that I am. So yeah, let's get down to business. First and foremost, to invest in legendary marketer, it costs $7. It's so cheap. It's so awesome. I made with legendary marketer $1,000 in one day, and all together I've made, I believe, $1,700. Now, legendary marketer, with its policy, will not allow you to show its back office. You'll get kicked out of the program if you do that, and you're not allowed to show your commissions. What I can do is show pictures, and I will put them up here of my emails because it gives you email shout outs of the commissions you make. Here they are, and one was $1,000 and another is $18. Now, I was getting multiple market club signups or whatever. Which is awesome, and those go for $18 commissions. And then I was getting I got $1,000 commission on the Builders program, which is so awesome. I'm a part of that, and there's immense invaluable information in there, like the cream of the crop. The CEO is a billionaire. Like, the CEO has integrity. The CEO of this program has a lot of morals. The CEO came from nothing, like a lot of us, and so it's just an amazing program overall. Now, let me give you the analogy of why people maybe think legendary marketer is a scam. It's because people have to have the mindset, which is something I teach on this channel, to not allow fear to take over you. Dr. Hawkins talks about and trademark the map of consciousness. You can't get to where you're wanting to get from fear, but you can get there from courage or neutrality or willingness, those positive vibrations. Remember, this channel is all about business mindset tips, but a little bit of spirituality mixed in there. And I kid you not, if you're in the good feeling, if you're in the flow, you're not going to allow an amazing opportunity like this to get in your way. You're going to take advantage of it and say, I don't exactly know how I'm gonna make all this money and all these commissions like everyone else is, but I do know that we're one species, human, and if a bird and a bird can fly because they're birds, a human and a human can make that much money because they are human. So anything someone else can do. It's called something that I'm a life coach, something that I learned in my program when I was going through being a life coach, is something called cause is greater than effect. Effect being that person that says, oh, my dad and my mom are fat, so I'm always gonna be fat and I can't lose weight. Wrong. As cause means if another human has done it, I can do it. And that's the attitude and mindset that you want when it comes to entrepreneurship and business mindset. So with that being said, going into this, you should think, oh my gosh, first off, for an affiliate marketing program, $7 is phenomenal. But at the same time, the way you should look at it is like this. Who is a Marvel fan? Raise your hand right now. The MCU, I love it. When Endgame came out, that was massive. And I was living in Tokyo, Japan at the time, and I just remember like going insanely crazy and how popular the movie was. Well, after you watch that movie, do you not go out to all your friends and say, hey man, or whoever, like, hey, I just saw Marvel Endgame, it is the most amazing movie, you definitely have to go see that. I'm so sure that you did that. However, you're doing that for free. You're not making money off of it. And with these affiliate programs, especially Legendary Marketer, that's something that you can do because it is amazing. And as you start learning things through the program and the invaluable information that you're learning, you're gonna wanna go out to all your friends and everybody that you know and say, hey, this is my business right now, this is the structure of it, and this is what you're gonna learn inside of it. It's massively so freaking great. You have to go sign up, you have to go do this, you have to go invest in it, just like you would say with the Endgame movie. And I know you're probably thinking that analogy might be a little bit off, but it's not. It's the exact same thing. You're just doing it for free because this is an amazing program. Now, I kid you not, what if someone told you, hey, here, have some cards, and gave you cards for Endgame and said, for every person that you give this to, they're gonna get 50% off their ticket to be able to see Endgame opening night. And every card that they turn that into the box office, you're gonna get a commission off of that. I'm so sure that you would be going out there handing it out like it's free candy because you know that this is something great. Endgame is great, it's amazing, it's popular, you're gonna make that money. And I can guarantee you that actually was probably a thing with most new movies. There's probably some kind of commission-based thing on it or whatever. However, it's no different. Affiliate marketing is no different. It's not a scam, it's all a mindset thing. And a lot of people, we are conditioned and raised to think we need to be in one source of income and we need to go through 12 years of school and then go to college and then be in a massive amount of debt and then make $3,000 per month or whatever amount it is. But we're working our butts off 80 hours a week and we're conditioned to think that when we're offered something like this where we can make money while we sleep, it's just like when someone hears that and you're trying to tell them the opportunity, they think this can't be real, and then when they enter the program, it's difficult. You have to put forth effort. Again, Disney, if you would see his story of where he started off, it was not easy to get to where he is at today, and that is no different. If you want to go from making $2,500 to $3,000 per month to making six figures, seven figures per year, or even monthly, you have to put yourself in that mindset, and you have to understand that fear cannot exist in your mind, your subconscious. You have to understand that through failure comes success. You want to fail, actually. Gary Vee says all the time, and I resonate with it. You want to learn. Don't look at contrast or failure as a bad thing. Allow it to guide you to what you do want. So with that being said, I have made money. There's proof that I gave you guys off of Legendary Marketer. I'm only going to be making more money, and I'm going into this as there is so much invaluable information in here that I just want to tell everybody about it. And definitely the link is in the description box down below. Definitely go click the link, watch the video, because David Sharp, the CEO, I have gotten to know him. He's amazing. He is awesome. You're gonna watch that video. You're gonna want to invest. Invest is $7. It's not that much at all to get started and get learning and get hopped into the program. And then but the great thing is that don't feel like you're abandoned. I think a lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing, they think, I'm gonna invest in this and then I'm on my own. You're not on your own. You have YouTubers such as me. You have other YouTubers who are also in the Legendary Marketer program who are here to guide you and help you. With affiliate marketing, it really is a mindset thing. Really going about it the right way. I can go about it like this in a video, but when you're out giving word of mouth, you know, take that extra step to understand and utilize social media to get your links out there. Make a business card. Canva is free, canva.com. Make a business card off of there, you know. I have my business card. It's right here. It's freaking awesome. I love it. And I hand it out like candy, and that's how I'm making my money, you know. But at the end of the day, I'm not in this just for the money. That's just the cherry on top of the cake. I'm out here to really educate people and let them know that they can have a life of freedom. They can live where they want. They don't have to look at price tags anymore when they're going out and about buying things. You can make money while you sleep, because we are all conditioned to think money is not supposed to be that way, and it is. And this is why 5% holds the income. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't want everybody to know the secret of this and stuff, but let me tell you that it is ethically moral, and there's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing. Everyone thinks it's so bad because you make massive money easily, and it's not easy at first. Actually, when you're a newbie to it, there's a lot of research that goes into it to be able to get people to click on your links and to be able to make those commissions. But what's great is, again, it's not something that you're just investing in and then you're left alone. There's a product behind it. Legendary marketers selling a product. The other affiliate marketing programs that I'm a part of are selling you a product. It's not like when you go to Target and you buy something, you walk out without a product. Like, no, you're buying a product. The freaking amazing part about it is that now you can make an ROI of millions of dollars back if you really put in hard work and the effort. And a lot of the times there's not a ton of effort in it if you just really know the cream of the crop of what you're doing. And that's what I'm here for, is to create videos to help you out to get there. So definitely check the link out down below. Check out Legendary Marketer. I am super excited for you to hop in. I am here to guide you and help you. You're more than welcome to email me with any questions that you have at personallegends.com. I'm sorry, personallegends@yahoo.com. That will also be in the description box down below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You are all beautiful people. Definitely, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel so much getting it out there. And then click that subscribe button. Come become a personal legend yourself. So freaking awesome. Love and light to all of you, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.